Hi friends, welcome back. Today we are going to solve another popular binary tree related coding interview question, words that can be formed using binary tree characters. So we are going to go through this problem, understand this problem with few examples, and we are also going to discuss and implement our Java solution code to solve this coding problem. If you haven't already subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel now. Also click on the bell notification icon button right away so you won't miss any important postings from this channel. Here we create videos to help others in their interview preparation and learning different computer science concepts along with data structures, algorithms, problem solving, Java programming and coding. So let's start. A binary tree is given to you where each node in the binary tree contains a lowercase English letter. You are also given array of words. You need to find out the total number of words that can be formed by using characters set from the binary tree. Characters set from the binary tree can be used one time for creating one word in the given input words array. Note, binary tree can contain same character multiple times. Write Java program to solve this problem. See the example below. Okay, so this is what the problem says. So binary tree with characters will be given to us. So let's take a look at the example. So this is the example binary tree where the characters are there in the nodes, right? And one character can appear multiple times. For example, A is appearing 2 times here, right? So they have given us couple of words also here, right? So we want to find out if this word can be created by using the characters in the binary tree. That is what the problem says. Okay, so for example, bat, right? So you can use B here, A here, from here, and T from here, right? So you can create a word bat from here, right? Okay, uh, art art word can be created. Yes, A is here, then R is here, and T is here, right? So you can create art word also by using these characters, right? So this set of these characters you can use one time for here, one time for here, one time for here, basically, right? Okay. Now can you create a word bat? Gap. So gap word you cannot create. There is no G here, right? There is no G, there is no P, so you cannot create a word gap. So this one you cannot create. How about man? So man also you cannot create because MA is there but there is no N here, right? So you cannot create word man basically. Arc, arc you can create because A is here, R is here, and C is here, correct? So arc you can create. So you can totally you can create 3 words basically. So that's what you want to find out actually, right? So so you got the problem clearly now what they are saying, right? Okay, so this is what the problem is. So how can we solve this problem? So first thing we have to do to solve this problem is we have to traverse this binary tree and we have to create a map from this binary tree. The map will tell us the character and its frequency in the binary tree. So this is how the map will look like, right? This is the map basically, correct? So it means that A appear 2 times, as you can see here, A appear 2 times, right? A appear 2 times, B appear 1 time, R appear 1 time, C appear 1 time, T 1 time, M 1 time, O 1 time, correct? In the given tree. So this map we will create. This map how you will create, you can just use a recursive traversal on binary tree and then you can create a map. So creating map is pretty straightforward. So from binary tree, so I'll show you that. Once you have this map, you have to go through each word, right? So for example, you will go to this word BAT and you will start iterating through this map, right? First you will always take the copy of this map. You will never update the original map, right? Because we want to use it again for the next words, correct? When you go to the next word, you still need that map, so you will not update the original map. You will make a copy of this map and then you will start going through each of the character. For example, you will go to B, you will check if B is existing in this map. Yes, then you will reduce its frequency by 1, right? Then you will go to A exists here. Yes, A exists here, its frequency is more than 0. Yes, then you will reduce its frequency. You will go to the T, it does T exist here? Yes, its frequency is more than 0. Yes, you will reduce its frequency by 1, right? So you found out all the characters which are required to create this word. So you will count this word basically, right? Because we want to count, find the count basically, correct, of total words, right? Same thing you will do for art. You will find out A here, you will find R here, you will find T here. So it means that you can create art, right? When you are looking for gap word G, you cannot find out G here in this map, right? It means that you cannot create the gap word, right? So you will not count it. Man, M you cannot find, M is there, A is there, but N is not there in the map, right? There is no N character so in the map, right? So it means that you will not count man, right? Arc also you will find out, right? Because A is there, R is there, and C is there. So this way you can find out the total number of words that can be formed by using the characters given in the binary tree, right? So you understood this approach clearly. So first thing what we have to do is we have to traverse the binary tree and we have to first build a map from that binary tree, correct? Okay, and then once we have the map, then we have to we have to go through the each word and we have to find out if that word can be created using this map. We can tell that, right? Okay, so this is the basic idea and basic logic to solve this problem. So let's go to the code so it will be more clear for you. So first thing we will do is we'll do the traversal. First we will create one string builder instance here, right? SB, it's a static so that we can access it anywhere, right? Now after that we will we have our main method is this one, right? Find words that can be formed, where you will be given the root of the binary tree and you will be given the string array words, right? First we will traverse the binary tree and we will populate this string builder basically, correct? We will populate the string builder first. So this is how you can do a traversal of the binary tree. So this is essentially a recursion, right? So you have the node here. So if node is null, you will return. This is the base case of recursion, correct? So I'll just write down for you here. So why do we need the base case? So that the recursive method knows where to terminate, right? Okay, so after that you will append the current character which is node.data to the string builder. You will go to the left side of this node and you will go to the right side of this node, right? So because you want to traverse the whole tree and you will keep appending the character to a string builder, right? Okay, so now you have all the string builder will have all the characters. Now after that we will have another method called it, we will call it as count possible words. So you will pass the words which is the array of strings and you will pass the string here, correct? So you pass these words which is array of strings and you pass the characters which is the string basically, right? Because you want to know what characters are there so that you can create a map from that, right? So that's what we will do now. So we want to create a map from the string, right? So the map will hold character comma integer, right? So character is the key and its frequency is the value, correct? So we'll create count is equal to 0, flag is equal to true. We'll start looping through the characters in this string, right? And we'll create the frequency map. This map is a frequency map, right? So every character and how many times that appear in that binary tree, correct? So you get the map.put is letter and you use the maps get or default method. So you get the letter, if it exists it will give you the current frequency, otherwise it will give you 0 and then you add 1 to it, correct? So you are creating a frequency map in this for loop like this. So this is how the map will look like, correct? This is the map basically. So once you have the map ready, now you want to go through each word. So we'll just print the map to show you. After that you want to go through each word in the for loop and you want to find out if that word can be formed, right? But how you will find out? By using the map. So flag is equal to true in the beginning and we will always make the copy of the original map. We will never update the original map. This is how you can make a copy of a map, right, in Java. So you will pass this original map as a into the constructor and you will create a copy of it. So copy of it you created, right? So that you don't want to update the original one because you want to again and again use it in this method, right? So you get the copy. So now you will start going through each character in the given word, right? So this is the word that you are processing. You will convert it into character array using 2-char array method, so you will get characters in the for loop. You will check if this copy map, right, the copy map, if it contains the current character and its frequency is not 0, right, it means that that character is available to use, correct? Then you are going to use it, so you will have to reduce the frequency of that character by 1. So that's what you are doing here, right? So copy.put current character, copy.get current character will give you the current frequency, and -1, you are reducing the frequency by 1 because you have used that character once. If this condition is false, you will come here and you will make flag as a false, because you cannot create that word basically in that case, right? And you will break because you know that you cannot create the word, so you will break, right? If flag is true, you will count that word because that word can be created. If flag is false, you will not count it, right? Here we are just putting one output statement here, saying that word can be formed. So we'll put the word if it can be formed by the given characters in the binary tree, correct? At the end, you have to just return the count. Count will tell you how many total words you can actually form by using the binary tree characters. Okay, so this is the same binary tree that we created here. This is the same binary tree and same example. So we are expecting that there are 3 words that you can create. One is bat, another is art, and another is arc, right? So let's execute this code now and make sure it gives us correct answer. So we'll just, so now this one is the map that you can get actually for this one, right? This is the example we are looking at right now. So you can see that A appear 2 times, B appear 1 time, C appear 1 time, R appear 1 time, T appear 1 time, M 1 time, O 1 time in this given tree, correct? After that, we are printing what words you can actually form with this character. So bat you can form, art you can form, arc you can form, correct? So total 3 words. So total words that can be formed are 3 here, correct? So this is how you can solve this problem. So I hope you understood this logic and this Java solution code, and you like this Java solution as well. So I'm going to add this Java solution code in my GitHub repository and give you the link of this Java solution code so you can check it out. There are lots of other important algorithms and Java solutions already available in the GitHub repository for you. So don't forget to check them out. They are important ones from interview perspective. They will give you good preparation for your interview rounds. The name of the playlist is LeetCode and LeetCode Solutions, and the GitHub repository link you will find out below the video's description section, right? If you like the Java solutions in the GitHub repository, consider giving it a star on the GitHub repository. That would be great. We have created a very important coding interview related playlist to help your interview rounds. It is called as LeetCode and LeetCode Solutions. 200 most frequently asked very important coding interview problems are compiled in that playlist for you. Those problems are asked by Google, Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Microsoft, Yahoo, Uber, Lyft many times in their past interviews. They are very important coding interview problems. Make sure you go through all of them, understand them thoroughly. If you go through those problems and videos, you are going to learn a lot about data structures, algorithms, problem solving, Java programming and coding. It will also help you learn lots of new techniques, lots of new ways of different varieties of problem solving and how to implement their solutions in Java. So make sure you check out those solved problems. The name of the playlist is LeetCode and LeetCode Solutions. Now, if you are a fresher, junior level developer and you want to practice more coding problems, to help your practicing purpose, we have created 3 other playlists for you here. The names of those playlists are Codeforces, CodeChef, AtCoder. Codeforces, CodeChef, AtCoder. All in all, more than 800 different varieties of problems are here to help your interview preparation and learning process. If you like this Java solution, how we have solved this important coding problem by creating a frequency map and applying this logic to solve this coding problem about binary tree, then please give it a thumbs up to the video, give it a like to the video, subscribe to this channel. Subscriptions is very important because that's how the videos can reach to other people, so others will also be able to watch and learn from this video. So do subscribe to this channel, share this video with all your friends and colleagues so they will also watch and learn from these videos. Click on the bell notification icon button right away so you won't miss any important postings from this channel. On this channel, you will find lots of solved coding problems explained with Java code. Those solved problems includes graphs, matrices, binary search trees, breadth first search, depth first search, cadence algorithm, binary search algorithm, Kruskal's algorithm, Dijkstra algorithm, Sliding window algorithm. There are also lots of important data structure questions available for you here, including stacks, queues, priority queues, hash table, hash map, tree set, hash set, linked hash map, linked hash set, arrays, linked list. All those problems come with Java Solution Code. Code is always shared through GitHub repository. Links are given in all the videos description section so that you can check out the code, play with the code by creating your own custom input test cases for your better and clear understanding. If you are a fresher, junior level developer planning to take Java rounds of interviews, there are lots of Java related videos available for you here. For example, frequently asked Java telephonic interview questions and how to answer them, Java design patterns, Java architecture, SQL programming questions to the freshers, where they will give you database tables. They will ask you to write SQL queries where you may have to use different database concepts like inner join, outer join, aggregate operations, group by, and having clauses, different where clause conditions. Everything is explained in those videos with database tables, examples, and SQL queries. There are videos that discusses recently asked questions about Unix to the freshers, like Unix commands, Unix utilities, shell scripting questions. All are here to help you in your interview preparation process. If you like these videos on this channel, if they are helping your learning process, you are learning new techniques, more problem solving along with Java programming, coding and data structures and algorithmic techniques, then please do leave a messages, your feedback, your comments below these videos. Your feedback, your comments and messages are highly appreciated, very important and valuable for us. They increase our motivation to create more quality content videos. So do leave your messages, tell us how the videos are useful and helpful for you. If you want us to create your videos about any specific computer science, data structures or algorithms and problems related topics, then also mention those topics in the comments section below these videos so that we can create those videos for you here. Keep learning, keep coding, keep solving more varieties of coding problems, and most importantly, keep your learning process and practicing going on continuously. Subscribe to this channel, click on the bell notification icon. We often create and post videos to help others in their interview preparation process here. And thanks for watching these videos.